Decode your health. Know your diabetes and obesity risk today. Welcome back to the Medi channel. In today's video, we've got something truly game-changing for you. We'll take you step by step through the process of understanding your diabetes and obesity risk using our exclusive calculator. Stick around because knowledge is power, and it starts right here. First things first, let's introduce you to our amazing risk calculator. It's a powerful tool designed to assess your risk of developing diabetes and obesity. But how does it work? Let's find out. Now, it's time to input some crucial data about you. Don't worry, it's easy, and we'll guide you through it. To visit the calculator page, type https://medichannel.org in your internet browser. Otherwise, you can also Google for Medi Channel Calculator. The calculator requires 4 inputs to calculate its outputs accurately. They are your gender, your age, your height and weight. To feed, you can use the metric units, for example, centimeters, cm, and kilograms, kg, for worldwide measurements, or the imperial units, for example, feet, ft, inches, inch, and pounds, lb, for United States units. For example, let's assume you are a female of 48 years with a 160 centimeters, or 5 feet 3 inches, height and 70 kilograms, or 154.3 pounds, weight. Once you've entered your info, the calculator does its magic. It spits out a risk score. But what does it mean? The outputs generated from this calculator are modeled based on your body mass index, or BMI, and age. One, your body mass index, BMI. This is a measure of your weight in relation to your height. It helps determine if you're in a healthy weight range. In this example, your BMI, 27.3 kilograms per square meter, which means you are overweight. Output 2, your healthy weight target range. This calculation discovers the weight range that's right for you to lower your diabetes risk. In this example, your healthy weight for your height is in the range of 47.4 kilograms to 63.7 kilograms, or 104.5 pounds to 140.4 pounds. Output 3, your minimum weight reduction goal. Here, you will find out the initial weight loss you should aim for to reduce your diabetes risk. In this example, your minimum weight reduction goal to achieve 25 kilograms per square meter is a 9% or 6.3 kilograms, or 13.9 pounds, reduction. Output 4, your ideal weight reduction goal. Here you will learn about your ultimate weight loss goal to further decrease your diabetes risk. In this example, your ideal BMI reduction goal to achieve 22 kilograms per square meter is a 5.3 kilograms per square meter reduction. And your weight reduction goal to achieve this, you would require a 19.6% or a 13.7 kilograms, that is a 30.2 pounds, reduction. Output 5, your risk of diabetes if you remain at your current weight. This helps you understand your diabetes risk based on your current weight. In this example, your risk of developing diabetes in the next 10 years is 1 in 62 if you remain at your current weight. Output 6, your risk of diabetes if you achieve your ideal weight reduction goal. Here, you will see how your risk of diabetes changes when you achieve your ideal weight. In this example, the risk of developing diabetes in the next 10 years is dropped to 1 in 243 if you achieve your ideal weight reduction goal of 22 kilograms per square meter. Output 7. Your diabetes risk reduction percentage with the ideal weight reduction. Here, you will learn how much your diabetes risk decreases by reaching your ideal weight. In this example, the ideal weight loss of 13.7 kilograms, or 30.2 pounds, would lead to a 74.6% reduction in the risk of diabetes. Isn't it fabulous? That is very useful information to know in advance, before it is too late, don't you think? Armed with this newfound knowledge, you can do many things to lower your risk of diabetes or maintain a healthy lifestyle. We have provided some of those solutions right away at the Medi channel, but you can take many more actions in consultation with your doctor. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to understanding your diabetes and obesity risk is one of our free gifts to you. Remember, it's not about the score itself, it's about taking action based on it. So, go ahead, try the diabetes risk calculator, and empower yourself to make healthier choices. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing content.